Have you ever thought about growing your own cut flowers? There's a certain joy that comes with nurturing plants from seed to bloom. Not only does this hobby provide an abundant supply of fresh flowers for your home, but it also enables you to save on purchasing bouquets. Imagine, instead of heading to a store, strolling through your very own garden, hand-picking the most vibrant, fragrant blooms. Picture creating your own beautiful bouquets right from your backyard. Now, isn't that a delightful thought? First, you need to choose which flowers to grow. Consider your climate and soil type, as these greatly influence your flower's growth. Popular choices include roses, daisies, and lilies. Remember, the best flowers for cutting are those that have long stems and a long vase life. Now, it's time to get your hands dirty and plant your flowers. Start by preparing the soil, making it loose and fertile. Next, plant the seeds or bulbs at the correct depth, which varies depending on the type of flower. A rule of thumb is to plant 2 to 3 times as deep as the bulb is tall. After planting, water them regularly, but avoid overwatering as this could lead to rot. With a bit of patience and care, you'll soon see your flowers start to bloom. Once your flowers have bloomed, it's time to harvest and arrange them. Optimal times to cut flowers are usually in the cool of the morning or evening. Ensure you're using sharp scissors or secateurs for a clean cut, angled slightly towards the stem's base. Once harvested, strip off any leaves that would be submerged in water, and place your flowers in a vase filled with fresh water. Experiment with different heights and colors for a vibrant display. And there you have it, your own beautiful homegrown bouquet. Growing your own cut flowers can be a rewarding and enjoyable hobby. We've explored choosing the right flowers, planting, and arranging them beautifully. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!